So today I am going to talk you about the latest leaks about the OnePlus 6 friends. Okay friends, let's begin today's vlog without any interruption. So first of all, I want to talk you about the display of the smartphone. Yes friends, the display. You are right, the smartphone is coming with a notch. Yeah friend, it is copying the iPhone X, the latest phone from the Apple. Okay friends, it is copying the iPhone X, and it is one of the trending thing to do with the display coming with notch. Is one of the popular things that every smartphone brand is doing, that like Oppo, Vivo, and other brands like that friends. So, and the next thing about the display, it is a Super AMOLED display. Okay friends, it is Super AMOLED display. And now we are going to talk about the cameras friends. The smartphone is coming with a dual rear camera and a single front camera. Okay friends, so the rear camera is 16 plus 20 megapixel and f 1.7 and f 2.4 for the 16 megapixel friends. And the camera is going to do a far better than the previous generation OnePlus 5T. So we can expect some of the good photos out from the OnePlus 6. And now I am going to talk about the front camera. It is coming with a 16 megapixel front rear camera with a f1.7 aperture, and we can shoot some of the great low light photos, and we can expect something better than from the OnePlus 5T. Okay friends, now I am going to talk about the build of the smartphone. The smartphone is built with completely with the metal and a glass. The smartphone is coming with the rear glass panel. Yeah, we can act like that the Samsung S9 or S8 friends. It is coming with the back glass. Okay friends, back glass. It is nice thing friends. We can expect some of the best beautiful phones out from Samsung is like the glass back design. Okay friends, it is very nice. Now we are going to talk about the processors. The smartphone processor is one of the best thing that a smartphone is selling. Okay friends, the OnePlus 6 is coming with a Snapdragon 845. Yeah, you are right. The smartphone is coming with a latest new processor from Snapdragon. It is coming with a Snapdragon 845. It can handle up to any type of games or anything that we throw upon it. Yes friends, anything that we throw upon it friends. Yeah, it's one of the best processors till now that the Samsung has unveiled or Qualcomm has unveiled friends. So next thing I am talking about the smartphone is sound clarity. We are expecting something dual speaker for a surround like 360 atmosphere sound quality, like one Samsung S9 Plus friends. Okay, Samsung S9 Plus voice is one of the best, I can say. And that we are expecting something like water resistant. Yeah, expecting water resistant, but in India OnePlus is not doing any good thing in her service section. No, there is no good service for OnePlus. First of all, you have to think and then buy OnePlus device. But the OnePlus device is one of the best you can buy, and it is like a flagship device. Okay friends, now let's talk about the RAM and the storage. Yeah friends, it is coming with a 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, and 128 GB storage will be available for 8 GB of RAM. Okay friends, and the 8 GB of RAM will always also come with 128 GB of storage. Nowadays we don't need this much of RAM, but what can we do? The hypes are going up. What can we do friends? Yeah, it is coming with a 6 GB and 8 GB of RAM with 128 and 128 and expandable up to I think 400 GB or 1 or 2 terabytes. Okay friends, via SD. We cannot find for more than 128 GB as SD, but okay friends, the next thing I want in the smartphone is its audio jack. Yeah, it's audio jack. Yeah, we can expect audio jack in OnePlus 6. Yeah, there is a audio jack. I know that. I see some of the pictures of OnePlus 6. The OnePlus 6 will be exclusive for the Amazon, like the previous generation. All the smartphone from the OnePlus, it will be exclusive available on Amazon. Yeah, next thing I am going to talk about with the you know what I'm going to talk about. Yeah, you're right. I'm going to talk about with the price of the smartphone. Yeah, it will launch in with the 6 GB of RAM with the 32 or 33,000 rupees in India, and the 8 GB RAM will cost up to 38 or 37,000 rupees in India, and the 128 GB RAM variant will cost up to 42 or 45,000 rupees in India, friends. So these are some of the specs and latest leaks about the OnePlus 6. Okay friends, let me hope these are the some of the leaks and the specification that the OnePlus will launch in future. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe down. The subscribe button is down below. Go and subscribe there. If you have any doubts on my video, please comment down below. Okay friends, if you like my video, then don't forget to give a like, and please share my video to all the audience. That will help my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video.